Hello guys, welcome back to the Makaut Smashers. In this video, we will learn about the next chapter of our subject project management and entrepreneurship, that is the project planning. Okay, so effective planning is the backbone of the successful project execution. We will discuss about the importance and the steps of the project planning and also the scope of the project and work breakdown structure and organization breakdown structure to organize and the task and the roles effectively. Finally, we will discuss the phased project planning, which allows for the systematic progress through the various project stages. So let's get started. Okay, at first, the importance of the project planning. Project planning is crucial because it sets a clear direction for the project and aligns the team towards common objectives. It ensures that resources like time, budget, and personnel are allocated efficiently. Planning helps to identify the potential risk early and prepares the contingency plans to mitigate them. A well structured plan also facilitates the effective communication among the stakeholders. Make sure everyone is on the same stage. Okay, so it allows for tracking the progress and making the adjustment as needed to stay on the course. Without the proper planning, the project are more likely to experience the delays, cost overruns, and scope delay. So ultimately, the project planning is the foundation that determines whether a project will be succeed or struggle to reach its goal. So now the steps of the project planning. Okay, the process of project planning typically involves the several key steps that guide the project from concept to completion. It starts with defining the project objectives, clearly outlining what needs to be achieved. Next is identifying the project deliverables, which are the tangible outcomes expected at different stages. Okay. Developing a detailed schedule is the crucial as it outlines the timelines and milestones. Resource allocation. It follows where the necessary materials, tools, and team members are assigned a specific task or not. Risk assessment and creating the risk management plans help the anticipate challenges and prepare the solutions. Finally, monitoring and control the processes are defined to track the progress and ensure the project stay on track. Each step ensures a structured and organized approach to achieving the project's objectives. Okay. So now the project scope. Project scope defines the boundaries and the deliverables of a project. It includes a detailed description of what is included in the project and just as importantly, what is not. Clearly defining the scope helps to prevent the scope creep where the unplanned tasks and requirements get added, potentially leading to delays and the budget overruns. The scope statement serves as a reference point for all the stakeholders, ensuring the alignment and understanding throughout the project lifecycle. It involves determining the project goals, deliverables, milestones, and the technical requirements. It also identifies the stakeholders' need and expectations, which are crucial for the project success. A well-defined project scope ensures that the project team focus on the agreed objectives, saving time and the resources. So now the work breakdown structure and organization breakdown structure. The WBS or the work breakdown structure is a hierarchical breakdown of all the tasks and the activities needed to complete a project. It divides the project into the smaller, more manageable components, making it easier to assign the responsibilities and track the progress also. The organization breakdown structure or OBS, on the other hand, is used to assign this task to a specific department, teams, or individuals within the organization. So, like the CEO, the manager, so different post is there. Okay. So while WBS is focuses on what need to be done, so and parallelly the OBS focuses on who will do it. Together WBS and OBS create a clear roadmap for the project, ensuring that each aspect is covered and managed by the right people. The systematic approach helps in resource management, progress tracking, and efficient communication among the team members. So now the phased project planning. The phased project planning involves breaking the project into the distinct phases such as initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and the closure. Each phase has specific deliverables and goals, ensuring that the project moves forward into a controlled manner. This approach allows for the better risk management, as risks can be evaluated and addressed at the end of each phase before proceeding to the next phase. It also makes it easier to track the progress and manage the resources, as each phase can be assessed and adjusted according to the project need. Phased planning is especially useful for the large or the complex project where changes may be necessary as the project evolves. This structured methodology ensures a step by step approach to achieving the project goals, improving the overall project control and outcome. Okay. So that's wrap up our deep dive video on the project planning. We have seen how important it is to lay a solid foundation with a clear plan, from defining the project scope to organizing the task through the OBS and WBS. By breaking the project into manageable phases, we can tackle the complex challenges in a systematic way. Effective project planning not only help in meeting the deadlines but also in optimizing the resources and delivering the quality result. Remember, a well planned project is halfway to success. Okay. In our next chapter, we will explore the intricacies of the project scheduling and costing, which will further enhance your understanding of managing the project effectively. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Makaut Smasher for more insightful content. See you in the next video.